All right, in this video, I'm going to break down the 8 different concepts that every gospel keyboard player has mastered in order to be a great musician for their church. And now you're going to be able to do it too. Concept number 1 is hymns. I need thee, oh Lord, I need thee. Every hour I need thee. Okay, that's what I mean when I say hymns. I mean straight out of the hymn book. Second thing you need to learn is congregational songs. Bless that wonderful name, oh Jesus. Stuff like that, like the upbeat, hand clapping, toe tapping type of songs. You have to know those. There's literally about maybe 4 or 5 common patterns. Once you learn those patterns, you can play just about any congregational song there is, okay? Number 3 is contemporary praise and worship songs. Now that goes without saying. We all know that we need to learn these songs. He's Able by Dietrich Haddon. Stuff like Never Defeated by Rich Tobert Jr. And because God is the greatest power, He will never be defeated. Stuff like that. Number 4 is your CCM songs. If you don't know what that means, it stands for contemporary Christian music. So like you think about songs about like Chris Tomlin, Our God. Songs like that like to have a lot of open chords. They're normally really simple, but can be really wordy too. A lot more wordy than your average gospel song. So for number five, the next concept that you need to know is choir music. Every praise to our God. Every word of worship. Stuff like that. Just look up choir music and just go down and just listen to it. So sometimes, here's a nugget right here. When you want to learn a concept, just take your time mastering these concepts. Don't be overwhelmed by this. Save this video, go back and watch it, download it, whatever you got to do. But I want you to literally just take your time. And when you're mastering a concept, you just eat, sleep, and breathe it. You just listen to this concept over and over and over. The next one, number 6, is really important in the black church. Shout music. You have to learn shout music. All right, I'm not gonna do a whole shout track right now, but you have to learn shout music. You can start off with what you call pocket. That's you just playing basic shout music, like. And that's why the bass player is going. And while the bass player is doing this, you're like. Okay, so that's another story for another day. Have to learn shout music. Number 7, you have to know how to back up a preacher. Say yeah. Learn the art of backing up a preacher. And last but not least, number 8, that's just playing simple talk music. Now, talk music is basically just playing soft music. I'm gonna go to C. Just playing soft music, but the main thing is to play in the moment. That's the main thing, okay? And make it make sense. Take the rhythm out of it, but play in the moment. All right, so those are your 8 elements that you need to know to be a good gospel church musician for your church. If you want my system where I teach these things, click the link either in the first comment or in the description in this video, and you can sign up $1 for a 7-day trial, and then it's only $10 a month after that. That's it. All right, so listen, I will see you next week, and you have a good one.